What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well, man, and your trading journey goes perfectly fine. But anyway, guys, in today's video, I would like to talk about this issue between Mamba FX and Kimmel trading, whoever this guy is called. I don't know. So yeah, guys, first, I think that's kind of bullshit what happens like in this industry, yeah, because they kind of they both guys like go like a lot of subscribers and they be known as a guru traders, whatever, yeah. But the reason that I want to talk about it, yeah, because come on, man, like the life is hard without all this, bashing each other and all this negativity and try to show like he's he's bad, he's a scammer, I'm the guru, come check it out my channel, all this stuff. I understand everything, guys, but this is totally my opinion, yeah. I want to say I'm not subscribed, not even to Mamba, not even to this guy, Kimmel, yeah. But obviously I know Mamba for a very long time. I mean, not personally, but as a YouTuber and Forex guru trader, and he does these signals. He's got these signals room, yeah. And think about it, guys. All this issue starts, yeah, because every problem it can be solved. You just have to find the reason why he came up and where it came from. So basically, it came from this guy. I'm gonna make It came from this guy. The reason why I'm gonna explain because he made this video trying to bash Mamba FX, which is not really nice because to get views and subscribers on the someone else problem, that doesn't sound very successfully in the long run, yeah. The reason why I'm gonna explain. Yeah, you're making one video that you bashing Mamba FX, yeah, and that's kind of not nice only because some people they will say like yes, yeah, he's a scammer. Some people will say no, he's not. But the problem is because this issue it won't be solved. Nobody knows if this stuff we're gonna end up like Kimmel is right, either Mamba is right, because Mamba FX made another video where he tries to explain something and tries to kind of excuse himself like about signal, why he's editing, why he's doing all that stuff. I don't really care, guys, to be honest. I don't really care. I'm I don't want to say like Mamba is the bad guy and the other guy is a good one, or vice versa, yeah. The reason why I'm saying that is just because Mamba, he didn't start making some crazy video like bashing this guy, yeah. This guy started actually making on Mamba. The reason why, because Mamba's got like a name, and this guy trying to like, you know, make some sort of arguments so people were gonna get attention and all this stuff. I don't think that's a good idea. The reason why it can be literally different. It could be literally different if this guy could just make a good video, yeah, about Mamba FX. Mamba FX would see that video, but he would not react this way. Yeah, he would be like, "I'm cool with that. Let's work together. Let's grow up together. And this relationship would be like in the long run would be more profitable instead of bashing each other. I don't think that's a good deal for the long run because we are in this industry for the long run, like one time, you're getting a good trade one time and that's it. Then you're just getting like back to normal, like losing streak. No, that's not nice. You better like, one growing but slowly and nicely. Same in life, guys. Same in life. Like you must be in a good relationship with everybody. I'm not saying because think about it, guys. I want to just think about it logically, yeah? If Mamba FX, everybody knows he ran this signal group for very long time, yeah? If he is a scammer, how the other guy saying, yeah? if he is a scammer, why people from his chat room or signal room, yeah, they are still there and they still paying for the signals? Because for somebody, somebody making money then. Because me personally, I wouldn't stay in the chat. Yeah, one-time payment. Yeah, I would pay one time, see all that is bullshit, I'm out, you know? But the reason why I'm saying that is just because people is keep sitting in his room. That means some people, they still making money. I don't know how much, how many trades they winning, how many trades they losing. But the problem is, guys, you don't need to bash each other, because that it will affect your future. That's why I'm trying to tell you that it actually affect your future. So to me, like, to solve this issue is obviously this guy started. Yeah, that would be the perfect scenario. This guy started. He could literally just delete this video. He will have to lose something. Yeah, he will have to lose something. Anyway, he's got already 253K views. He already made his money from this video. You could just literally say to Mamba, like, man, listen, sorry, I didn't mean to bash you or something like that. Just, in this life, you just have to be a man. You have to be a man. And in this particular case, I think he's the problem. I mean, he done the wrong thing. He shouldn't just join into his group and bash him and show him, like, look at me, look how many, because he's kind of like trying to make his own trading. Everybody knows 90% of the trade that they losing, and he does lose again. To make this video, I could literally give a try, like, I don't know how many times. I could give like 10 times, 10 times to be ahead of Mamba, because that's a challenge what he did in this video. Like, I'm gonna trade and Mamba will trade, yeah. But to me, it's just not nice how this guy. I'm not saying like the Mamba is clean and he's scamming or not. I don't know that. But to me, like, man, that's his business. He runs his business the way how he knows. And that works for him. Why he should, jump into his business and bash it? Like, we are not in the 90s. That's kind of the same thing. Like, I'm not successful, yeah? And I'm not gonna allow you to be successful. I'm gonna ruin your career or your business. Why you should do that? This is not a nice thing, you see? Because Kimmel or Kimmel or whoever, yeah? You don't think about it, yeah? Because that will gonna affect Mamba. For him would be much better to make a beautiful, nice review, as a man. Yeah, he wouldn't get that many views, but still, he would be in a good relation with the person. But he chose the wrong way. I mean, he trying to bash somebody to gain more subscribers and to become more kind of known, famous, something like that. To me, that's a bad thing to do it, because long term, nobody will gonna talk to you, because if you bashing somebody, yeah, nobody like. Me personally, I try to stay away from those people, because if he bashes like that, Mamba, he can bash you as a friend, you as a family, and he won't even care about how you will feel or how some his friends will gonna feel. He won't care. He just will do it for extra views, for extra attention or something like that. But at the end of the day, if you were gonna keep going like that, me personally, I would just delete this video. If I was it, I would delete this video. I would say, like, I would just recreate one more, because he already got like hype on this problem, yeah. But to fix this issue, me personally, I would just delete this video, because I already made money from it, yeah. I would delete this video, yeah, and I just apologize in front of Mamba and in front of everybody, because I would say, like, I didn't mean to bash somebody, or just try to recover this relationship. Mamba is a cool guy. He seems a cool guy. He will understand. He will understand, and he will. After that, you guys will know each other, and you who knows, maybe in the future they can work together and make some nice content. But all this craziness, like to start bashing each other, you know, touch families and all this stuff, that's just not manly to me. That's like women's thing. The girls, they usually like talks bad things. I don't wanna say too many bad words. But anyway, guys, that's only my opinion. You can think whatever you think, and you can comment down below what you think, who is right, who is wrong. I really would appreciate to see like what people think about it, because man, like this situation, I don't know, yesterday I was watching his video and then I saw the Mamba's video, and Mamba was kind of apologizing and not apologizing, sorry, excusing himself, but this guy trying to bash him. So who starts this conflict? I think Kimmel starts his conflict, this conflict. But anyway, guys, that's all what I want to say about this video, and hope you enjoy it. Comment down below what you think about those two guys, who is right, who is wrong, and whoever is subscribed to Mamba's channel, you can comment down below if you agree with me about if you're sitting in someone's signal, then you're making money, because otherwise you wouldn't stay there and just pay for the signal for no reason. So yeah, guys, but for now, that's it, guys. I wish you a beautiful trading week, and don't watch all this stuff, because that's not that nice. I don't know, I don't really like all this stuff. I just saw it and I really kind of feel bad for the Mamba, because he seems, I mean, I don't know how good he is at trading and all this stuff, but you know, I'm always looking a little at the situation, because if it was versus, vice versus, like Mamba was bash Kimmel, I would say the same thing about Mamba. But to me, like the Kimmel, he chose the wrong way to hype on it. So yeah, guys, if you like this content, feel free to comment, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments, how do you think this issue it could be solved or could be avoided or something like that. That's my only opinion. He shouldn't even never he should even post anything like that. But it is what it is. Stuff already happened, so we'll see how everything is gonna end up. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching me, if you kept to the end, and see you guys in the next video. I wish you a beautiful trading week. Peace and love. I'm out.